If you want to use link to Windows in order to connect your Xiaomi 15T or 15T Pro to your computer, then in that case we're gonna open Settings and go to More Connectivity Options. In here you should be able to find Link to Windows. And once you go over here, you will need to sign into your Microsoft account that you use on your computer. But I believe the quickest way to actually connect with your PC is by using the QR code scanner. So in this case, we're going to choose sign in using the QR code, and we need to grant the permission for the app and to let the app use the camera. On your Windows PC, you want to open the Phone Link app, which you should already have on your computer. It is pre-installed. And then over here, of course, we need to choose Android, and you will get the QR code that you need to scan on your phone. Once you scan the QR code, you want to tap on Continue and enter the code that you can see on your computer in the app. And there we go. Once you sign in, you will need to grant some additional permissions for the app, so that you can actually access some stuff on your computer. Let's press continue over here. We don't have to share diagnostic data. And there we go. We can press continue. And this is how the link to Windows looks like, at least right now. It actually recently had some changes apparently. And on your computer, you should see that you are all set. So we can press continue over here. And now we have the welcome message. You can, of course, open the phone link whenever you open your Windows. In this case, I'm just gonna click on get started. We have messages. We can go to photos in order to find photos and videos. We can also go to apps, of course, and so on and so forth. You can also set up notifications over here on the left side. And we have some additional tools like phone screen, for example, and so on and so forth. So that is pretty much it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe.